Hello, this is Milan from Alicante Real Estate. Welcome back to another video on our YouTube channel. Today we will be showing you a new investment opportunity which we have for you. It's a new listing. It is an apartment from 2021. It has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, around 65 square meters inside, renovated, very new, good condition, with communal pool as well. As you can see, we're standing by it right now. We are 700 meters located away from Playa del Cura. We are 200 meters from Centro Salud, or the health center. We have the bus station, also 200 meters, which connects directly from here to the airport in Alicante for good transportation as well. And it is also to be noted that here, seasonally during the summer, you will have a lifeguard who is on duty as well. So that is very nice to have here. Now for the price, we are looking at an apartment of 185,000. That will be the price. Now for all of the other details and information, let's go follow me and then we'll go see the tour. So we have arrived in the apartment. Now, first things first, it is to be noted that this apartment comes with a tourist license. So for short-term renting, this is actually perfect. This is why I said this is an investment property. So about the property itself, as you can see, it's from 2021. So completely new. It's well, really goodly renovated, nicely renovated. This door, by the way, we have a kind of a security door. It has like a code system outside. You put in a code and then you can go in, otherwise you can't. So it's a security door, very nice, neat little feature. Then we also have the bathroom. The bathroom has also something special, it has underfloor heating. So in the bathroom itself there's underfloor heating, which can be nice if you come out of the shower. Alright, so then we follow up, we go into the next area, which will be the kitchen. So here in the kitchen, as you can see, you've got the kitchen island, you've got the open kitchen, everything here. We have also got the microwave oven here, we have a normal oven, all of the storage cupboards you need with the sink. We've got fridge, freezer, everything included. Now something that I want to point out, if you may have noticed by looking around, you see that we have one little closet here, well, one little cupboard, actually not a closet. We've got a cupboard here which has a lock on it. Now there's a use for this. The reason why there's a lock on this is, let's say you have tenants inside. You have people who are renting it out and they're leaving all of their stuff here and you want to keep some private things. You have like a key, you can open this one, you can keep the key with you, like put all of your private stuff in there, keep it here. It's a neat little feature to have, just something to point out. Now we also have the patio here. If you've come from the kitchen, you can also come out here. We come into the patio, which has storage options. You have the storage options, you have here the washing machine as well included for the clothes, the boiler, and even more storage room right here. So we have that as well. Then we come out. If you go on from the kitchen, you have the dining area. As you can see, come into the dining area, which also comes with a centralized air conditioning unit. So there's centralized air conditioning here across all of the rooms. And it's also got heating and air conditioning. So it's a dual function as well. Then you have, as I said, you have the dining area, you have the living room, you've got the spacious living room with everything here. You can look out to the balcony as well. Then we come into the bedroom area. So as you know, with this 65 square meter apartment, it comes with 2 bedrooms. So we have the first one, which is here, which is the smaller bedroom, but it also has a built-in wardrobe. Not the complete wall, but part of the wall is a built-in wardrobe. And with the other, like the bigger bedroom, you have a wardrobe which is completely built into the wall, which have a completely built-in wardrobe. Also with the blinds, you got the windows in each and every room, which is important of course, and you have the electric blinds. So there's no pulling like the old school. You can just use the electric blinds here, and that's perfect. Now, last thing I would like to add to this is there is also an option with this apartment that you can buy a garage. So there's an underground garage. You have the option to buy it, and there's also an elevator which can take you right down there. Now, I would like to thank you all for watching this video from Alicante Real Estate. If you want to see more properties like this, if you want to see more content about real estate, subscribe to our channel, write down your opinion in the comments, and also contact me if you want to know more information about this property or any property that might interest you from our listings. Thank you very much. This was Milan from Alicante Real Estate. I'll see you in the next video.